This is the future.
Hey guys, what's going on? Good to see you again. Funny seeing you here. So we're here at Jackson Hole this weekend. Up here to, clearly Jackson Hole, going skiing. Never been out here before. There's a lot of cool terrain. Snow's still a little bit on the light side, so not a lot's open. So couldn't go jumping off cliffs or anything for you yet. It's been a fun trip so far. Came into town. It was about 5-6 hour drive out. Cut through the mountains the whole way, so it was super scenic. You'll see some of that footage here. And then once we got there, kind of stopped into town. I had a couple hours to kill before I had to go out to the airport, so I visited a couple of bars. There's a really cool Thai place. I got a burger with mushroom oysters on my burger. It was super funky, super good. And they actually had a cool little brewery tucked into that there, combined with the restaurant. And yeah, they actually won a ton of awards for their beers. It was one of the best ambers I've probably ever had. So a lot of cool little breweries tucked in there, and the town wasn't too busy, so got to try a lot of those. Pretty cool here, and you'll see clips of those too. So then walking around downtown, the cool little moose antler statues downtown, those are kind of famous. You'll see those everywhere, but it's kind of the thing Wyoming does all the time. Yeah, absolutely really cool little town. Just kind of walk around, do some souvenir shopping, a couple cool little restaurants. It's a little on the expensive side since Jackson's so wealthy, but it's definitely worth it to check it out if you're going skiing, or even up to the Tetons or Yellowstone. Both are only about like 40 minutes, an hour away. So definitely come check it out. It's a cool little area. Tune in.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We
said. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me like I'm dead. Is it too late to confront it?
Thanks. Appreciate it. Felt my knee.
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Oh, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back.
right, that concludes our skiing here at Jackson Hole. Definitely check it out. Love you.
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much